Hey everybody, Lance Brown here with Performance Diesel Inc. PDI, here to introduce and unbox our new Big Boss Performance Tuner HD. Okay, what you see here is the box that the HD tuner will come in. I'll walk you through here what's inside, what to expect. As you unbox it, what you're going to find, first and foremost, thank you from PDI Diesel for your purchase of the Big Boss HD tuner. Next, you'll see your quick setup guide. The quick setup guide will take you through from A to Z on how to install your tune. First thing out is the Big Boss HD tuner. Very long awaited, but it's going to be an awesome product. Solid touchscreen glass display, nice visuals for the gauges. Underneath there, you'll find your USB-C cable. The USB-C cable will connect to the HD tuner, and then over here, your diagnostics connector. Diagnostics connector goes to your diagnostics port, the USB-C cable to the HD tuner. Now there's a lot of different ways you can install and mount this inside your truck. One option we have available is the magnetic mount. The magnetic mount will go magnet to the dash, magnet to the tuner, adjustable, put it wherever you would like. Any questions, please contact us on our website or give us a call, www.pdidiesel, or you can leave a question in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.